When a wild heart chooses a human, it creates a magical and unforgettable encounter.
Ok, no me mires tanto, por favor, que me intimidas.
Uy, no, no, no. ¡Hey!
¡Hey! Oh my god.
¡Hey!
Wow.
Looks like he wants to bring his girlfriend home to meet the parents.
You only have to worry if his tail goes under your board. Uh-oh.
Is it going under my board?
That's
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's pretty heavy.
He's gonna kill you! But I'm filming.
Oh boy, not every house that opens its gate is inviting you in, buddy.
Touched my mouth.
Dolphins are highly intelligent and love exploring and playing, so this is actually pretty common. Well, being chased isn't always a good thing, right?
Hey, big guy. Hi. Look at those big old paws. You want to give me a kiss?
Wants to eat you. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Okay, should I stop? Oh, hello. Hi, little cow. Little Timber.
Seems like he's quite a reliable guide on this trekking route.
Did it eat out the bag?
Damn.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No way. Yeah.
Oh my god! What are you doing?
The fish probably didn't expect to have to welcome such a strange guest.
You want pets? Is that... Use your words, buddy. Use your... Okay.
What's up?
I'm scared I'm gonna get bit.
Ouch.
Hang on.
Don't bite.
Sorry, buddy, but this vehicle has a weight limit for passenger.
Go on. In you go. Hello.
This shows just how gentle and friendly whales can be.
Oh, we have all the flies! Stop!
Is a fish's greeting really kissing your eye?
Is he giving you hugs? Try to give him a hug.
With skills like that, this deer must be a regular visitor.
Oh my God! I don't know how. I don't know. Hey! Oh, y'all stop! He's taking. He's slamming.
Any wild animal becomes this adorable when it feels loved.
Luca! 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 Scappa, Luca! Io porco!
Easy.
Never get out of your car when you see a rhino.
Look at this. I'm gonna get hit by seed pods.
This girl sure has some very special audience members.
Hold on up front, sir. Hold on.
Stick together like this and saying goodbye will be tough.
Chilling with our friends.
Stop! Break! Красный спасибо!
Your food. Chew your food. Here.
Horses show trust by pressing their heads and softly exhaling against you.
This is a tiger sound.
I left the horse.
Hugs really are the quickest way to connect everything. Don't miss more fascinating videos about the wild world.
Hey.